Understanding Seasonal Planting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of seasonal planting. This is a term often used in gardening and agriculture. Whether you're a language learner with a green thumb or just curious about English phrases related to nature, this video will help you understand what seasonal planting means and why it's important. Seasonal planting refers to the practice of planting different crops or plants at specific times of the year, depending on the seasonal climate and growing conditions. This practice is crucial because it aligns the growth cycle of plants with the most favorable weather conditions. In simpler terms, it means planting crops when they are most likely to thrive. For example, some plants grow best in the cooler temperatures of spring or fall, while others need the warm summer months to grow. Seasonal planting is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that plants have the optimal conditions for growth, such as the right temperature, sunlight, and rainfall. This not only leads to healthier plants but also increases the yield and quality of crops. Secondly, it is a sustainable practice that supports biodiversity. By planting a variety of crops throughout the year, farmers and gardeners can help maintain a balanced ecosystem. Additionally, it's a way to naturally manage pests and diseases, as different plants can deter specific pests or attract beneficial insects. To illustrate this concept, let's look at some examples. Spring planting. Many vegetables like lettuce, peas, and carrots are planted in spring as they require cooler temperatures. Summer planting. Plants like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers thrive in the warm, sunny months of summer. Fall planting. Crops like pumpkins, squash, and certain types of beans are typically planted in late summer or early fall to be harvested before the winter frost. It's important to note that seasonal planting varies depending on the geographical location and climate of a place. What works in a tropical climate may not work in a temperate one. Gardeners and farmers often refer to planting guides specific to their region to decide what and when to plant. This highlights the importance of understanding local weather patterns and soil conditions for successful seasonal planting. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of seasonal planting and its significance in gardening and agriculture. Remember, this is not just a practice for farmers. Even home gardeners can apply these principles to grow healthy plants and contribute to environmental sustainability. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.